Quitting your job isn't hard, but replacing your income is. I was able to leave my waitressing job after 1 month of steady income as a brand new permanent brow artist. I'm going to break down the numbers for you and show how this can be possible for you too. So, if you're looking for a high income side hustle, a 6-figure high income side hustle, or you're looking for a way to completely escape your 9 to 5, stick around because I'm going to show you the numbers. I'm going to tell you what I used to charge, how I started, and what you can expect to earn as a new brow artist. Okay. So, so 10 years ago is when I started my brow business. Prior to that, I was a cocktail waitress, struggling to make ends meet, single mom. I got into brows because it was really by accident. I needed to get my brows done. I found an artist here to get it done. And after I got my brows done, I completely fell in love. And I was like, I know I can do this too. A week late, 2 weeks later, 2 weeks later, I remember it was on my 35th birthday. 2 weeks later, I was in a class. When I got my brows done, I think I want to say I paid $350. It was either $350 or $375. Okay, so that's what she was charging per client, and that was 10 years ago. I got my brows redone about 3 years ago, and I paid $1,200. It was a different artist, but still, I paid $1,200. Okay. When I started my brow business, I was charging $250 per client. Now, it did take me 6 months to start acquiring clients because I didn't know what I was doing. But once I figured it out, it only took me a month of steady income. It only took me a month of steady clientele to quit my waitressing job. And I made a video, I think it was yesterday. I'll link it at the end, talking about how I figured out how to start making income doing brows, okay, after 6 months of trial and error. So once I started making income steadily, after that 1 month, it just remained the same. I just kept getting clients left and right. And again, I was only charging $250 back then. That was 10 years ago, okay? The average price for brow artists now is $400 to $800, and I still think that's on the lower end. Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna go with $600 just so I can show you I can show you a breakdown of what you can make as a brand new brow artist, whether you're doing it part-time or full-time, to make a 6-figure income as a side hustle or completely or if you wanted to completely replace your income. Okay. I've been, like I stated, I've been doing this for 10 years. I've taught over 2,000 people how to make money doing brows. And a lot of my students a lot of my students were able to leave their 6-figure corporate jobs and replace their income by doing brows. Okay. So not only did they start working less hours because now they're working for themselves and making more, they were working less hours, making more money, and were able to control their time, spend time with their kids, travel, all the good stuff. Okay. So, brows can definitely be a side hustle or it can be your full-time income. I started off as a side hustle, but within a month of getting steady clientele, it became my full-time income. And I was able to grow that business into a 7-figure brow business. Okay. My side hustle grew into my 7-figure brow business. And from that, I'm not just a brow artist, but I'm also an educator. I've spoken on stages. I have an ink line called the Chocolate Collection, which is a collaboration I did with Permablend Pigments, and it's a line specifically made for melanin-rich skin. Okay. What else have I done? And I've traveled all over the United States and some international travel as well because of brows. All right. So brows can be anything you want it to be. It can be a side hustle, or like I said, it can be a full-on career if you wanted it to. So, um, yeah, so when I started, I was charging $250 per client, which today is really, really low, especially with inflation, right? But even charging $250 per client when I first started, I was still able to make almost $15,000 my first month, and it just remained the same or more throughout every single month out thereafter. So the first year as a brow artist, I made almost $200,000. I had never made six figures in my life prior to that. Okay. Um, so after just the first month, I knew that it was time for me to leave my cocktailing job because I think I made that was almost three times the amount that I was making as a waitress back then because well, business had gotten really, really slow at the casino I was working at. So it was just a struggle just to make ends meet most of the time. And I'm just so grateful that me starting Browse came like literally at the perfect time. Okay. Um, so yeah, after that first month, I realized that it was time for me to leave. I was ready to leave that job, and I really didn't like it anyway. I Every day was a struggle going in there. If you're feeling that way, trust me, I know how you feel. But just know that there is a way out if, this might be an option for you. So like I was saying, I'm going to use 600. That is the average. If you can Google it if you want to. Average cost of, I put microblading, but permanent brows consists of microblading, ombre brows, combo brows, nano brows. There's so many different brow styles when I say brows, okay? Many different brow styles, but they're all considered permanent makeup. I'm going to put a chart on the screen and it's going to show you what you can make per month, and I'm going to show you what you can make per year, charging $600. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to go with $600 since the average right now, according to Google, is $400 to $800, but I know it's much more. Okay. So I'm just going to go with $600. So charging $600 per client. And like I said, you can do this part time if you wanted to. If you did just 3 clients a week, okay, and you can do that all in one day as well if you wanted to. You could do 3 clients in a day, or you can do 2 clients in one day, one in the other. You can split it up however you want because it's your business. You can schedule it any which way you want to, okay? So you can do this as a side hustle, working your days off if you work 5 days a week, or you can just pick a day off. Pick one day and do all your clients that way. So $600 per client, and you do 3 clients per week. And this is just brand new clients, okay? I'm not talking about touch-ups, because when you do touch-ups, you can charge an additional amount for your touch-ups. So just brand new clients, $600. That's $1,800 on $1,800 from 3 clients per week. Okay, so if you're making $1,800 per week from 3 clients each week, which is very easy to acquire, 3 clients is a cakewalk. Okay, um, by the end of the month, 4 weeks in a month, that's $7,200 as a side hustle. Okay, that's just a side hustle. So if you did 3 clients per day and you're working 4 days in a month, 3 clients a day, 4 days, sorry, 3 clients a week. You can do that in 1 or 2 days. So you're working 4 to 8 days a month on your side hustle, making an extra $7,200. Okay. And those clients will have to come back for a touch up. It's 2 sessions. So you can either have the touch up included in that $600 price, or you can charge separately for it. All right. So let's just say $600 per client, $7,200 per month, right? And after 1 year, that's $86,400 working part time as your side hustle. And then, of course, all the touch ups on top of that. Okay. And that's just 3 clients per week. If you did 4 clients per week, all right, 4 clients per week, is $2,400. That's $9,600 a month. Again, as a side hustle, 4 clients a week, you can get that done in 2 days. 2 clients per day. Okay? So again, you can still keep your 9 to 5 if you wanted to and just do this on your off days. All right? So at the end of the year, and again, this is not including the touch-ups, this is just brand new clients that you're getting. That's $115,200 per year. So yeah, you can definitely make this a side hustle, and you can turn your side hustle into your full-time income if you wanted to. Okay, especially if you're not making over $100,000 a year right now, or if you are making $100,000 a year, you can take even more clients to make even more money. I'm just showing you what you can make part-time as a side hustle. Just 2 days, 1 to 2 days out of the week, taking 3 to 4 clients per week, more or less if you want to, charging $600 per client. Again, you might charge less or you might charge more, just depending on where you live, okay? Because where you live does play a factor into how much you can charge as well, all right? But I'm just saying this is the average. $600 is the average. I paid $1,200 3 years ago. When I started, I was charging $250 per client, and I steadily increased my prices. Every few months, I increase my prices. Okay, and I'm well above the average is what I'm charging for brows. When I do brows are not my main source of income anymore. So again, 10 years ago, I was charging $250 per client. Today, on average, you can charge $600 or more. I know many artists who are charging over $1,000. So you can definitely charge more than $1,000 for your services. The good thing about permanent makeup is you are allowed to make your own prices. You can charge as much or as little as you want based on your skill level. Okay? And also based on where you live. People are willing to pay a premium, especially if you're a good artist. It's something that's permanent on your face. People don't want to play with their face, okay? Um, if you charge $1,500, you will still get clients willing to pay $1,500. You can charge what you feel like you're worth. Just make sure that the results match the price, okay? I'm not saying just to start as a brand new artist and start, charging people $1,000. That's not what I'm saying. But you can start at 600, even 400, whatever you're comfortable with and whatever sort of the going prices in your area, and you can steadily increase. You're not going to stay at that price forever. All right. So $600 might be your starting point. That's not where you're going to stay. As you get better and as you start getting more clients, you can definitely increase your prices. And if you want to start a side hustle doing brows or completely replace your 9 to 5 without the guesswork, you can access my brow business system with a limited time code that I'll leave in the description. My name is Amina, and I will see you tomorrow.